Hi guys, this is Dave from Up on the Ridge Outdoors. I'm up at Paradise at Mount Rainier on Christmas Day 2019. Testing out the GoPro, getting a little snowshoe time in, a little cardio. A lot of people out, it's a really nice day. There's a nice lenticular cloud over the top of Rainier. I'm here at the Myrtle Falls overlook and at Mount Rainier, and a cloud dropped over the mountain, but the waterfall's all frozen over right there, and that piece of gray part right there is a bridge. It's pretty neat, but I'm gonna hike back up here to the top of the trail and head back towards Christy and Henry.